Microsoft is mine. And I created other tech giants like Google, Apple, Facebook, Yahoo, Twitter, and others. I co-owned them. I created them in the 1970s. The Microsoft products and technologies timetable was planned and created by me in the 1970s. We developed MS-DOS, Windows, MS Office, Visual Studio, Xbox, Microsoft Defender Antivirus, and the quantum computing text of Microsoft. Microsoft is mine. And I also decided on the products of Google, the Google Teams. In fact, in the 1970s, Microsoft and Google Teams were being funded by my Hollywood music and movies money. The very first Microsoft Office buildings were created, built by us, even using my Hollywood money. So Microsoft is mine. I was the one who chose Bill Gates to be CEO. We chose Bill Gates to be CEO, as well as the CEOs of Google, Sergey Brin and Larry Page. They asked my permission to be CEO, co-founders of Google, as well as the later CEOs of Microsoft and Google, Sundar Pichai and Satya Nadella. They were with me in the 1970s. They asked me permission to choose them to be CEO of Microsoft or Google in the future. Microsoft is mine. Technically, I should own majority stocks, shares of Microsoft, and also co-own Google. In Google, we created YouTube and the other of its products. Hollywood tech giants pay tamayo now.